Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use USDJPY on MetaTrader 4, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it you will be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see USDJPY at third row. You simply need to tap over there, and now you can see trade option at top. So once you tap on it, you'll be able to use USDJPY on MetaTrader 4 successfully. But if you don't find this option, or you can find this option, then just simply tap on plus icon, which is at top right corner on the screen, and simply search for USDJPY, and finally click on plus, which is at left side on the screen, and now you'll be able to use USDJPY successfully. So basically this is how you can use USDJPY on MetaTrader 4 app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.